Grace College of Engineering, Thuthukudi, Computer Science and Engineering Department, Digital Systems Laboratory for 2nd CAC students, 3rd semester, exercise number 5, shift register. Aim to design and implement 4 shift register, that is first one serial in serial out, second one serial in parallel out, third one parallel in serial out, fourth one parallel in parallel out. Apparatus required D flip-flop, OR gate, IC trainer kit and patch cords. What is shift register? A register is capable of shifting its binary information in one or both directions. That is known as shift register. Here for shifting we are using the D flip-flop. This is a pin diagram IC 7474. First one serial in serial out. This is a logic diagram. This is a truth table. Let us see the implementation of shift register. In shift register, we are seeing the first one, that is serial in, serial out. Here we use 4 ICs, that is IC 7474. According to the pin diagram, all the connection is given here. This is clock. This pre you want to set as a 0, and then next data is here. This is clear. Okay, this is the output. Let us verify the truth table. While changing the clear, the output is changing. So we have verified truth table successfully for serial in, serial out. Next, serial in, parallel out. This is the logic diagram. This is the truth table of serial in, parallel out. Let us see the implementation of serial in, parallel out shift register. Here we use 4 ICs. These are IC 7474. According to the pin configuration, all the connection is given. We have given the clock connection here. This is preset and this is the input. This is clear screen, right? These are the outputs. We have 4 outputs. Let us verify the truth table. See how the output is changing. So we have verified the truth table successfully. Next, parallel in, serial out. This is a logic diagram of that. Here 4 ICs are used. This is the truth table. Let us see the implementation of parallel in, serial out using digital IC trainer. According to the pin configuration, all the connection is given. Here we use 6 ICs, 4 IC 7474 and 2 IC, that is IC 232. Okay. Here we have set the preset. This is a preset and 4 inputs, and this is clear screen. This is a clock. All the connection is given for input and this is for output, single output. Okay. Let us verify the truth table. First I am giving 1 0 0 1. Output is 1. It is correct. Then next 0 0 0 0. Output is correct. Output is 0, so it is correct. Then next I am verifying 0 0 0 1. Output is 1. So we have successfully implemented parallel in, serial out. Last one, parallel in, parallel out. This is a logic diagram of parallel in, parallel out.
This is a truth table.
Let us see the implementation of parallel in, parallel out using digital IC trainer. According to the pin configuration, all the connection is given here. We use 4 ICs, that is IC 7474. These are the input connection. This is pre, and we have 4 inputs and 1 clear. Then this is a clock connection. These are all outputs. There is a 4 outputs. Let us verify the truth table. First I am giving 1, 0, 0 and 1. So our output will be QA and QD wants to be 1. So it is verified. So we have successfully implemented parallel in, parallel out and verified the truth table.
Thus we have implemented all the 4 shift registers and verified the truth table. Thank you.